Welcome to the world of amazing animal hunters. Hi, Henry. What are you two doing?
Me and Crab Tuesday are going hunting.
Hunting? In a supermarket?
Yeah, we're hunting for bargains.
Oh, right. You're no hunter, Henry.
I am too a hunter. I'm hunting for the cheapest pizza, pretzels, soda.
Nothing but the best, huh?
What do you mean? That's the best party food.
Ah, so you're hunting for bargains for a party.
Sure am. Got lots of guests coming. Now, where's that meat counter?
Why don't you ask that leopard? They're real hunters, and all they eat is meat.
Maybe we don't need meat after all.
Some hunter. Real hunters have to use perseverance, not to mention patience, skill, and natural cunning.
Excuse me. I've only got $17.50 to pay for this whole party. I'd like to see a leopard do that. All right, these are cheap. That's much better. No, Tuesday! How did you do that? All right, a lion, king of the jungle, terror of the animal kingdom.
Who leaves all the hunting to the lionesses.
They leave the hunting to the girls?
Hey, they're pretty good at it.
With teeth like that, I can see why. Hey, leave her alone! She just got lunch. Talk about ungrateful. Get your own food. I thought this show was about hunters.
It is.
What, the fly?
No, the Venus flytrap.
A plant with teeth? Cool.
Most living things have to be hunters, Henry, big or small. They just don't usually do it with a shopping cart.
Hey, whatever works best.
For animal hunters, what works best is different for everyone. You could learn a thing or two from them, Henry.
What, from that ant? I gotta serve more than leaves or this is gonna be one boring party. See, even the snake thinks so.
Oh, Henry.
Quick, Tuesday! We don't have much time! Not that quick. Come on, we got a party to get ready. You get the plates, and I'll get the... Food? Where'd all the food go? Save the dancing for the party. Just tell me where the food is. Oh, you're no help. What am I going to do?
A real animal hunter would be able to find food on their own, Henry.
Yeah, I don't need any help. I'll show you how good a hunter I am. Okay, so it's not in there. Not there. Nope. I'm kind of glad it wasn't in there.
Come on, Henry. Your guests will be here soon.
Can't you say anything helpful?
Okay, how about timber?
Very funny. Thanks for the help.
If you're going to hunt all on your own, you'll have to learn fast, Henry. Take some tips from this serval. He's just a little guy, too.
Who are you calling little?
So when he's hunting alone, he has to go for prey that's easier to catch.
You mean he eats rats?
He eats whatever he can catch. Rats, hares, birds, and lizards.
Excuse me, they obviously have no taste.
You can't be too choosy when hunting is a matter of survival.
Aw, poor little thing, though.
Little's right. Just to stay alive, a serval needs to catch over 10 rats a day.
So why is he hunting at night then, smart guy?
The cover of darkness gives you an advantage when you have the serval's keen hearing to locate prey. And with the longest legs of any small cat, they can jump up and surprise their catch.
I bet he can't reach that bird.
Don't be so sure.
That's amazing.
That's the kind of skill you need when you hunt alone, Henry.
I'll say, if I could jump that high, I'd reach the cookies on the top shelf.
You're really not getting this hunting thing, are you? Hunters hunt to stay alive. That's why they each have special ways of catching the food they need. Many bats feed on insects, but this fishing bat has a special diet.
Low-calorie pizza?
Take a guess. His trick is to fly low, trawling the water for fish with his feet. When he feels one,
Gotcha! Talk about fly fishing.
you do have a lot to learn, Henry.
Well, so does he.
Why?
I may not be a great hunter yet, but I could sure teach him a thing or two about table manners.
You're no Mr. Tidy yourself, Henry. Like, what's with all the mess? I guess you haven't found the food yet?
Duh, smart guy.
Henry, you looked in there already.
I looked everywhere already.
You don't think that someone took your food, do you?
Excuse me. That's exactly what I think. This is a job for Henry, the Great Detective. Once we've eliminated the possible, all that's left is to...
To look completely ridiculous.
You'll see. I'll find the food napper. What have we here? And where were you on the night of the great marshmallow theft, hey? Ah!
It's only a praying mantis.
Well, it better pray I don't catch it with my party snacks. Trying to hide, huh? You have the right to remain silent, but it doesn't help me much.
You know, you could take a tip from that horned frog. It does all its hunting by just sitting and waiting.
I don't have time to sit and wait. My guests will be here any minute. I gotta hunt down that food.
Nice and subtle, Henry. If you're going to snoop around, just watch this chameleon, a master of sneaky techniques. Even his friend over there is jealous.
Yeah, green with envy.
Just watch.
Hey, neat trick with the tongue. Betty's really jealous now. Ding! 2 points for the horned chameleon. Come on, what are you waiting for? You gotta be fast in this business.
You're right, Henry. Chameleons can fire their tongues in less than half a second. No time for prey to escape their sticky grasp. But look before you leap.
Wow, that's amazing! The opponent can't believe his multi-directional eyes.
This time, the bird gets away.
But chameleons don't eat birds anyway, do they?
I think he might have tried to.
I think he was just trying to show off. Bird brain. That's more like it. A nice, juicy little worm.
That's no worm, Henry. It's the tail of a young cantal snake.
Ah, snake! What's he doing? Hitching a ride to the supermarket?
No, he's using it as a lure.
Excuse me?
A lure, another sneaky hunting trick. That frog is fooled into thinking it's a worm, too.
I wasn't really fooled. But if that frog is... Oh, no! Phew, close. How'd the snake miss?
Cantal snakes only use their tails as lures when they're young. Maybe this youngster needs some more practice.
Yeah? Well, practice on somebody your own size.
Henry! Henry! It's time for your news report.
What? Now?
Yes, now.
Out of my way! Journal Lizard coming through! Tonight, super glue. Just how safe is it for lizards? And top designers agree. Stripes are in this season. But now, our top story. Flights in and out of Lower Bongo Bongo came to a standstill yesterday, following a sticky incident with a giant bird-eating spider. The hairy arachnid, who refused to speak to our reporter, had constructed an elaborate high-rise trap to catch its prey. Using the latest in web technology, the eight-legged engineer spun a gigantic net between Bongo Bongo's famous Twin Towers. But the hunting trick worked too well. After netting a flock of migrating dodos, 4 drumsticks, and a 6-pack of barbecue wings, the trap also snared an irritated giraffe, 2 weather balloons, and an incoming plane from neighboring East Jujubee. The spider, who seemed unaffected by the problems he'd caused, said, "If you think that's big, wait till you see the next one. World Wide Web, here I come!" And next, the weather.
The weather?
The whether I got it right, or whether I got it wrong.
Take a guess.
Rats.
Actually, Henry, you were kind of right. Many animals do build amazing traps,
Told you.
but not for catching giraffes.
Are you sure?
This deadly pit was dug by an antlion.
See? A lion could catch a giraffe in that easy.
An antlion, Henry, a tiny hunter who builds its traps for termites and other insects. It flicks up grains of sand to try and knock victims down into the pit. Once they're in, there's no escape from the claws hiding below.
I'm glad I'm bigger than a termite.
You were right about something else, too.
You're kidding. I mean, what?
Some of the most amazing traps are built by spiders.
Cool. And fast, too.
We speeded the film up, Henry.
Oh, I knew that.
Spiders' webs make incredibly strong silk nets, whether they're catching flies, other spiders, or even more deadly prey.
Wow, that silk must be pretty strong to hold a scorpion.
It is. Even though it's over 1,000 times thinner than a human hair, spider silk is as strong as steel, enough to hold some pretty big prey.
What? A bat? You're kidding. Excuse me, but that's unbelievable. Uh-oh.
You see, Henry? Even spider webs have their limits.
It's not always easy to track down your food. Aha! Just as I thought. The criminal always returns to the scene of the crime. Okay, you thief! Where's my food? Oops.
Something the matter?
They're not food thieves. These are my party guests. Just a little joke, guys.
Maybe they could help you hunt down your food. Hunting can be much easier in groups.
Good idea. Hey, guys, how about we play a party game? It's called Hunt the Horses Duvers.
Or d'oeuvres.
Either one.
Aren't you going to help them?
The key to any successful investigation, delegate all the work. Wonder what's on TV.
You can't delegate all the time, Henry. Sometimes you have to work together to be a successful hunter.
You do? That's good news to me. Good news to me, get it?
Oh, I get it, Henry. Hey, maybe your friends could track you down a sense of humor, too.
Very funny. There are other narrators out there, you know.
So anyway, about these wild dogs.
I thought dogs hunted in packs. This guy's on his own. And he's not doing too good by the look of it either. Oh, okay. Here comes the cavalry. Watch and learn, kid. This is how to hunt.
Maybe you should watch and learn too, huh, Henry?
Okay.
See how they panic the gnu's, running the herd around until they split one animal away from the others? That's teamwork, Henry.
A bit like sheepdogs, huh?
Kind of. Except sheepdogs aren't supposed to eat the sheep at the end of it.
Well, that's not very nice.
Like I said, animal hunters don't hunt for fun. They have to kill to survive.
I guess so. Hey, here's the hopeless hunter again. I hope he learned something.
It's a she, Henry. And since she's not very good at hunting, she stayed behind to babysit the pups and let the more experienced dogs catch dinner.
Why didn't you say so? But it looks like they came back empty-pawed.
When you can't carry all the groceries, eat as much as you can and regurgitate it back home for the kids.
Oh, gross.
You know a better way for dogs to get a whole gnu home?
Have it delivered?
You could use these guys, Henry. They can carry 8 times their own weight.
What, ants? You're not telling me they hunt down gnus.
No, but ants actually eat more meat than all the other meat eaters put together.
Really? That's amazing.
These army ants are masters of hunting in packs. They overwhelm their prey by sheer weight of numbers, traveling in the thousands or even millions. And anything that gets in their way, they'll eat. And I mean anything, even lizards.
Oh, come on. Those little things?
I'm telling you, Henry, you don't want to be lying around when these guys are on the march. And now, ladies and gentle lizards, it's time for Henry's Amazing Golden Gecko Awards.
The prize winners for the all-time best amazing animal hunter are... In third place is the Venus flytrap, the innocent-looking plant with a taste for meat. Feed me. In second place is that hopping hunter with the long legs, the serval. They may be small, but they could teach lions a thing or two about hunting. But in first place is the amazing archerfish of Southeast Asia. Why, you may ask? Do they hunt with bows and arrows? Nope. Have they got pointy teeth like piranhas? Do they kill their prey with a mysterious poison? No way.
Get on with it, Henry.
Hey, these little guys need a big build-up. No, the archerfish wins because they get their food by... spitting at it!
That's some trick.
It sure is. Oops, sorry.
That's all right.
These guys can knock an ant off a branch up to 10 feet above the water. And if at first they don't succeed, they just keep spitting until they do. Sometimes a whole bunch of archerfish get together and spit to have a better chance of hitting something. Yeah, and the ant is toast. The archerfish, my all-time best amazing animal hunter.
Any news from your pack of hunters, Henry?
Yes, and all bad.
Oh. So why are you fishing then? Stress relief?
No, it's the only place we haven't looked for the food.
Looks like you caught something.
Finally, we can eat. Or be eaten. Run!
Even hunters get hunted sometimes, Henry. There's almost always something bigger than you out there, like this rock python.
No, I don't think I like it at all, thanks.
No, but this serval thinks he might get a huge meal out of it.
Hey, be careful, buddy, or you might end up making a light snack of yourself.
He knows that, but a nice big snake would keep him fed for a long time. Looks like dealing with a 20-foot snake is making him pause for thought.
Ha ha. He'd better use his paws to get out of there. Henry's rule number 1. When in doubt, run.
I think this lioness is having doubts too.
Why? What's she after?
This buffalo.
So, the lion is the greatest hunter of them all. She can take him no problem.
It's not that easy. A buffalo is big, heavier than 5 lions put together. It's like attacking a truck with spikes on it. And there's only one of her and a lot of them.
Yeah, but a lion's still pretty scary.
Scary, yes, but even so, only 1 in 10 lion hunts succeed.
Would you mess with a face like that?
Don't tempt me.
Told you! And don't come back, you big bully! Get it? Buffalo? Bully?
Oh, Henry, you're so tough. You still hiding from that sea monster, Henry?
No, we're doing the crossword. 3 letters. Ask stupid questions. Oh yeah, I know. You.
What's that noise?
Oh no, the monster's coming to get us. Hide!
You are hiding.
Okay, hide more.
I see Tuesday found the shopping then.
Too bad he couldn't find the brakes, too.
Where was it, Tuesday?
Rats.
What did he say? What was that?
He said he picked it up back at the supermarket.
The supermarket?
Yeah. Well, I thought they delivered.
Henry, after all that hunting, you left it at the store?
So? Look, I'm still a hunter in training.
Well caught, Henry. Maybe you will make an amazing animal hunter after all.